Bienvenidos to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word dry in Spanish. How do we say dry in Spanish? Escucha, listen. Dry, seco, seco, seco. Seco means dry. Está seco. It's dry, like this desert. Está seco. Now, if you wanted to add emphasis, you can say está muy seco. That means it's very dry. Está muy means very. If you wanted to say it was dry, you would say estaba seco. Estaba means it was. Estaba seco. It was dry. Estaba seco. Let's use the past tense once again. If you wanted to say it was very dry, and then you would say estaba muy seco. Let's review this word. Seco. Seco. Just like this desert. Seco means dry. Now, if you say muy seco, then you are actually saying very dry. Muy seco. Excelente, amigos. Thank you so much once again. Please click the red button and subscribe. I hope to see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Chao, chao.